Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Dear friends, in this video we are going to start the new point. Meaning of numbers having index in the rational form m upon n. Now m upon n means m and n both are integers, positive integers. Now here generally we write as a is the base, m is to n is the index. M is base, m upon n or m over n is the index. Then we read this as by two ways we can read. By two ways. First, what is power here? M upon n. But in this fraction, m is numerator, m is the power and n is the root. Okay. Now how to write by two ways? First way, what is here power? M. Then mth power. Mth power, numerator is the power. Mth power of denominator is the root, denominator is n. Mth power of nth root. Mth power of nth root of base, and base is a, of a. Means now here you see mth power means numerator, nth root means denominator of a is the base. Second way, we can start from the nth root, we can start from the root, then write power and then base. Means you just interchange these two, change their places. In place of power write nth root and here you write mth power. How to? Again I explain. First write this nth root of, then power afterwards, mth power of a is the base. Means we interchange their places. In this way we can write this index m upon n, a raised to m upon n, mth power of nth root of a, or otherwise nth root first of mth power of a. These are two ways to write the number having index in rational form m upon n. For example, if you want example 5 raised to 2 upon 3, then how to write this? By two ways we can write. What is power? 2. 2 power we write as a square, means square of means power 2. Second power means square of, what is here? 3 is the root. Third root means cube root of cube root of, what is base? 5. See, it is written like this, square of cube root of 5. Or second way, write down this first, cube root of, then square afterwards, square of 5. Same, only these are interchange here. Same way, these are two ways. Now let's start practice at 3.2. First question is complete the following table. In this table we have to write in both the ways. Here numbers are given, power of the root, and second way root of the power. By both the ways we have to write here. First is done for us. 225 raised to 3 upon 2. Now here power is 3. When power 3, that is cube. Here power root is 2. Root is 2 means square root. And it is written as, now here you see, first we have to write in this column, we have to start from power, and in this column we have to start from the root. Okay, here power and there root. What is power here? 3 means cube. Cube of, what is root? Square root. Cube of square root of 225. Here we have to start from the root. What is root here? Square root. Therefore square root of, then you write power, cube of 225. These are two ways. Now here first, What is power? Here we have to write, we have to start from power here. What is power? Fourth. Then fourth power. I write here then fourth power of, what is root? Fifth root. Fifth root of base. What is base? 45. Fourth power of fifth root of 45. Now here start from the root, then power. What is root here? Fifth root. Then starting from fifth root. Fifth root of, then write power, fourth power. Fourth power of base. What is base? 45. Two ways. Third, 81 raised to 6 upon 7. What is power? Sixth power. Then first power, sixth power. Sixth power of, then root. What is root? Seventh root. Seventh root of base. What is base? 81. In second way, start from the root. What is root? Seventh root. Seventh root of, what is power? Sixth power. Sixth power of base. Base is 81. Okay. Third, 100 raised to 4 upon 10. What is power? 4. Then fourth power. Fourth power of, what is root? 10. Tenth root of base. What is base? 100. Here start from root. 10th root of, what is power? Fourth power of, what is base? 100. Now last, 21 raised to 3 upon 7. What is power? 3. Power 3 means cube of. Cube of seventh root. Seventh root of base. What is base? 21. And here opposite. What is root first? Seventh root. Start from the root. Seventh root of, what is power? Cube of base 21. In this way we can write any number by two ways. Let's see question number 2 from practice set 3.1. Question number 2 is, write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. In words it is given, we have to write symbolically. First, square root of fifth power of 121. Now what is base here? Base is 121. That's why 121 I write as a base. Raised to. Now we have to write this. Square root of fifth power. We write fifth power in the numerator, root in the denominator. Whatever. Power in the numerator, root in the denominator. Now what is power? Fifth power means 5 in the numerator. 5 upon root in the denominator. What is root? Square root. Square root means 2. 5 upon 2. 121 raised to 5 upon 2, and it is read as fifth power of square root of 121 or square root of fifth power of 121. By two ways we can write this. Second, cube of fourth root of 324. 324 is the base. 324 is the base. What is power? Power is cube. Cube is the power means 3 in the numerator upon root. Fourth root means upon 4. Always remember one thing, write power in the numerator, root in the denominator as a index. Now third, fifth root of square of 264. Fifth root of square of 264. 264 is the base. Now we want index. What is power? Fifth root of square. Square is the power means 2 upon root. Fifth root 5 in the denominator. 264 raised to 2 upon 5 means square of fifth root of 264 or fifth root of square of 264. Last, cube of cube root of 3. Cube of cube root of 3. What is base? 3 raised to, what is power cube upon, what is root cube root upon 3, 3 raised to 3 upon 3. If we reduce 1, 3 raised to 1 means 3 itself, but here we have to write symbolically, that's why it will be 3 raised to 3 upon 3.